Welcome back to the Keto Cooking Kitchen. Today we're going to make a spicy lemon marinated pork chop. Place your pork chops in a container or in a Ziploc bag. Then just add the olive oil, lemon juice, tamari soy sauce and all the seasonings. We need lemon juice, olive oil, sichuan pepper, some tamari soy sauce, salt, pepper, chili, garlic powder, cumin, and some Italian herbs. Rub everything into the meat thoroughly. Put the lid on or close your Ziploc bag and store it in the fridge for about 20 to 24 hours. Now, after this waiting period, get the pork out of your fridge and start preparing the vegetables. I'm a bit lazy, so I just use some mixed frozen vegetables here, which I thawed in the microwave before putting them into a pot and adding some butter. While these are cooking, melt some lard or coconut oil or whatever you prefer in your pan and start fry the pork chops on low to medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. For the vegetables, I just used some salt, pepper, cumin and coriander. I like to pour the grease from the pan into the vegetables too. And here it is, our super tasty and juicy spicy lemon marinated pork chop with buttered vegetables. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at KetoKookin.